The Olympic Games are a prestigious international event with a rich history and many interesting aspects. Here are 10 fascinating facts about the Olympics. 1. Ancient origins. The first recorded Olympic Games took place in 776 BC in Olympia, Greece. They were held in honor of the Greek god Zeus and featured only one event, a foot race. 2. The modern revival. The modern Olympic Games were revived in 1896 by Pierre de Coubertin, a French educator and historian. The first modern games were held in Athens, Greece, and featured 13 countries and 280 athletes. 3. Olympic rings. The Olympic rings represent the 5 inhabited continents of the world: Africa, the Americas, Asia, Europe, and Oceania. The colors of the rings, blue, yellow, black, green, and red, along with the white background, were chosen because every nation's flag contains at least one of these colors. 4. The Olympic flame. The Olympic flame is a symbol of the Games, originating from ancient Greece, where a sacred flame was kept burning throughout the Games. The modern tradition of lighting the Olympic flame began in the 1928 Amsterdam Games, with a torch relay introduced at the 1936 Berlin Games. 5. Winter and Summer Games. Initially, the Summer and Winter Olympics were held in the same year. However, starting in 1994, they were staggered, so they now occur every 4 years but 2 years apart, with the Winter Olympics taking place 2 years after the Summer Games. 6. Women in the Olympics. Women were first allowed to compete in the modern Olympics in 1900 in Paris. They participated in 5 sports: tennis, sailing, croquet, equestrianism, and golf. 7. Olympic mascots. The tradition of Olympic mascots began at the 1972 Munich Games with a colorful dachshund named Waldy. Since then, each Olympics has had its own unique mascot, often reflecting the culture or characteristics of the host country. 8. Boycotts and political statements. The Olympics have seen several boycotts and political protests, such as the 1980 Moscow Games, which were boycotted by over 60 countries in protest of the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan. The 1936 Berlin Games were also marked by political controversy, with the Nazis using the event as a propaganda tool. 9. Medals and awards. Olympic medals have varied in design and composition over the years. While gold medals are often thought to be solid gold, they have been mostly made of silver and gold plated since 1912. The 2016 Rio Olympics medals were notable for being produced from recycled materials. 10. Most decorated Olympian. American swimmer Michael Phelps holds the record for the most Olympic medals won by any athlete, with a total of 28 medals, including 23 golds, earned between 2004 and 2016.